so happy to see you today. I'm Teacher Najara, your grade 4 math teacher. Relax, smile, and remember that the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. Now, in our today's lesson, we will learn about the rounding of numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Are you ready? Good. Get your module, notebook, and pen. So, let's go. Kids, can you still remember place value? Good. Now, let us give the place value of every digit on this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Very good. What is rounding? Rounding numbers means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. Have you ever wondered why do we have to round numbers? Well, we round numbers to make simple calculations. So kids, how do we round numbers? You can round numbers by following the steps of rounding off numbers. Step 1. Know what place value is to be rounded off to determine the rounding digit. Step 2. Check the digit on the right side of the rounding digit. If it is less than 5, such as 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then the rounding digit must be rounded down or retained. However, if it is 5 or more, such as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the rounding digit must be rounded up or add 1. Step 3. Change or drop all the digits to the right side of the rounding digit and replace them with 0. Step 4. Keep the digit to the left side of the rounding digit if there's any. Now, let us apply the steps of rounding of numbers on this problem. A total of 28,313 COVID-19 positive cases were reported by the DOH as of November 17, 2020. About how many positive cases were reported? Round this number to the nearest thousand. In this problem, we have 28,313. Round off 28,313 to the nearest thousand. Let us apply the steps. First, let us determine the rounding digit. In this case, we have the digit 8 in the thousands place. Next, check the digit to its right. Remember that if it is less than 5, we round down. And if it is 5 or more, we add 1. In this case, we have the digit 3 on the right side of the rounding digit, which is less than 5. Therefore, the rounding digit will stay as it is. Next, change all the digits on the right side of the rounding digit to 0. In this case, we have 3 digits or numbers to the right side of the rounding digit. Therefore, we replace them with 3 zeros. Lastly, check if there is a number on the left side of the rounding digit. In this have the digit 2. Therefore, we have to keep it to the left side of the rounding digit. So, if we round off 28,313 to the nearest thousands, we will have 28,000. Let us try another example. Round off 78,543 to the nearest 10,000. Again, we have to follow the steps of rounding off numbers. In here, we have 78,543. The digit in the 10,000s place is the digit 7. The digit on its right side is the digit 8, which is greater than 5. Therefore, we have to add 1 to the rounding digit. This means the rounding digit 7 will become 8. Then, let us replace all the digits on the right side of the rounding digit with 0. Take note, there is no digit on the left side of the rounding digit. Therefore, we have to skip that step. So, round off 78,543 to the nearest 10,000. We will have 80,000. Now kids, did you understand the lesson for today? Very good, my little kids. Now, let us check your mastery in 5 minutes. I want you to round off these numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Ready? Your time starts now. Hands up. Let us check your answers. Number 1. If rounded off to the nearest thousands is 26,000. And if rounded off to the nearest 10,000s is 30,000. Number 2. If rounded off to the nearest thousands is 54,000. And if rounded off to the nearest 10,000s is 50,000. Number 3. If rounded off to the nearest thousands is 25,000. And if rounded off to the nearest 10,000s is 20,000. Number 4. If rounded off to the nearest thousands is 67,000. And if rounded off to the nearest 10,000s is 70,000. Number 5. If rounded off to the nearest thousands is 95,000. And if rounded off to the nearest 10,000s is 100,000. Now, if you have a perfect score, good job! That's all for today's lesson. Once again, this is your Math Dali teacher Hajara saying, if you love mathematics, Math Dali! Until next time, Math Dali kids! Goodbye!